Gauge Blabag rope and racing inquiry. Jumps quick out of the gate, showing speed now for the outside. And Ryan run by with Sexy Eyes. Then followed by Specially Discreet Black Label is also there. Zambat in between horses. Be My Lover. Then followed by runner 2 Happy Boomer. And Flash Away, who's running in a terrible field. Out straight they travel. Inquiry takes command Balang, followed by Che and Ryan. 2 lengths back now, Specially Discreet, Sexy Eyes. Watching them is Black Label, passing the half mile. It is still Inquiry, Specially Discreet, moving up by it's still Inquiry, followed by Specially Discreet. Che and Ryan, Sexy Eyes, Black Label, and inside the last 600, Specially Discreet, and entry number 5, Be My Lover, stop running. Inside the last 400, Battle Royale goes on, Specially Discreet, Inquiry, Che and Ryan, Black Label on the outside and a long shot. Happy Boomer coming to the race too as they hit the final turn. Inquiry a long shot. Happy Boomer on the outside. Sambat not farther outside but still Happy Boomer followed by Sambat. And finally Happy Boomer, Sambat. Flash Away, Black Label, Close, Inquiry and Che and Ryan.
27689, hindi ko lang nakuha yung pang-anim.
276.
Bayang Karirista in 2009, kung naaalala po ninyo, Manila Horsepower in coordination with Manila Jockey Club spearheaded yung tinatawag naming first effort ng isang racing group na makiisa sa ating bansa dahil sa tinamon nating napakagrabing bagyo noong 2009, that was Typhoon Ondoy. At ngayon naman po 2011, ay muling nagbabalik Bayang Karirista ang barkadahan tunay ng Manila Horsepower para makiisa po muli sa ating mga nasalanta nitong bagyong Pedring and Kiel. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, Bayang Karirista, at ito na ang awarding presentation for the Manila Horsepower Organization Typhoon Pedring and Kiel Victims Benefit Race, won by long shot Happy Boomer. Kaya alam, mukhang hindi happy ang ating mga karirista dahil dihado, konti lang nakakuha. Ayun, nakuha nyo ba? Wala, di ba? Happy pa rin sila dahil siyempre for award cause ang ginagawa natin. Before anything else, Bayang Karirista, eto na po ang ating mga nagagandahan mga lalaki dito. Unang-una, representing the DSWD, sila po ang beneficiary ng pakarerang ito. Teka lang. Representing the head of the DSWD of Makati, si Miss Marjorie De Vera. Nandito, mga magagandang lalaki sila. Cap Vic Lobrio. Cap! Kasama niya sila Al Lobrio, Kagawad Egay, Tripoli, Joseph Cueta, June, Tito Vance Casal, at saka si Bobby Domingo. Pare, tasan mo lang kamay dyan. Patropang Makati. Makati tsaka Manila Horsepower, magkakasawa yung dalawang yan. At syempre, kasama din natin, representing the Manila Jockey Club, siyempre, yung partnership natin dito lagi sa hirap at ginhawa. Mr. Ding Magbuo. Alright, manager ng MJCI. Salamat po. And of course, from the Manila Horsepower Organization, we have Chairman Edwin Giliarte, Chairman Eperitus, and former President, si Consial Ferds, at saka siyempre, ang President for this year, Mr. Noni Neri. At kasama natin siyempre ang mga masisipag na Manila Horsepower, barkadahan tunay, MHP! Parang hindi sila namuro. Ayan, ganyan ang sigaw na hindi namuro. Tawagin naman natin ang representative ng kabayong Happy Boomer. Balita ko, ang kukuha daw ay si Mr. Momoy Monggaya. Momoy, mukhang siya lang ang nakangisi dito sa San Lazaro ngayon. Momoy, tumama ka ba?
Medyo po sa tekon.
Live pa raw siya. Alam niyo na kung sino hanapin niya, si Mamoy. Alam niyo, Bayang Karirista, ang Manila Horsepower ay pangatlong karera na po ang ginawa natin for this year. Yung una, nung March, ay yung MHP anniversary. Tapos nung June naman, ito yung araw ng Makati. Ayan, nakaisa rin po ang Manila Horsepower dyan. And this year, muli na naman pong gumagawa ng konting effort ang ating grupo para makatulong naman sa mga nasalanta ng bagyong Pedring and Kiel. At this side naman ang beneficiary ang DSWD ng Makati. Alright. At kapanayin muna natin ang Presidente, Mr. President ng MHP. May sasabihin po siya.
Magandang gabi, Manila Jockey Club at lahat nandito sa San Lazaro. On behalf of the Manila Horsepower Organization Incorporated, we would like to present a check to the DSWD Makati to be accepted by the Makati DSWD.
Sir, kailangan mo ng malaking bangko dyan. Ang laki check eh. Alright. At hindi lang yan. Meron pa tayong guaranteed 150,000 plus trophy to the plaque represented by Momoy. At meron pa tayong jacket na ipamimigay. Alright. Jacket. Ang tawag dyan ay rider jacket. Pwedeng gamitin habang nagmumotor o habang nangangabayo kayo. Yan yung natin ibibigay, Mr. President. Sa inete. Alright, anybody representing the jockey? JP Guse. Alright, Pau Guse. Halika dito, Pau. Pare, inasahan mo ba yung kabayo mo?
Ano lang po eh. Opo, sinasama po.
O, inasahan na tsamba.
Chamba.
Alright, magaling, magaling. Ano masasabi mo, Pao? Ano masasabi mo?
Thank you po. Maraming salamat.
Sensya ka, wala muna kami dalang mga appliance ngayon, ha? Tapos sa susunod, magkakaroon tayo ng mga appliance ulit. And we would like to call now on the chairman of Manila Horsepower, Sir Edwin Guillarte, to give a plaque of appreciation to the representative of the Candmark Trading, owner of Happy Boomer. Sir?
Thank you, Jim. This plaque of appreciation is awarded to the owners of horse Happy Boomer. The goodwill of this program is now named after the champion horse for winning the benefit race for the Typhoon, Pedring, and Kiel victims coursed through Makati DSWD and the Manila Jockey Club Incorporated. Signed and given this 14th day of October 2011 at the San Lazaro Leisure and Business Park, Carmona, Cavite, Philippines. Signed Antonio Neri, President, Perdi Eusebio, Chairman, Edwin Guillarte, Chairman Emeritus.
Iyan ulit, si Momoy. Momoy, yan, tanggapin mo ulit. Moy, live ka pa, ha? 3 points ka na. Alright. At yan po ang ating awarding presentation for the loan benefit race today, sponsored by the Manila Horsepower Organization in partnership with Manila Jockey Club at ang beneficiary natin, DSWD ng Makati. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. MHP! DSWD! San Lazaro!